Prosper ISD. Here we are, and we're wrapping up the third 9 weeks and heading into spring break next week. It's such an exciting time. I hope that you all have some great plans, fun and safe activities, and then return safe and sound to us the following week. So March 2nd, before we get to spring break, that is elementary open house. So please make sure to check your campus calendars as well as websites and principal newsletters to find out when those times are. I've been in classrooms and I'm seeing so many incredible projects and writings and different things that our students are producing. So I really strongly encourage you to get out for open house at our elementaries. With us leading into spring break, all of our campuses and the administration building will be closed. So this is a special note for our high school parents who have drivers or soon to be drivers actually. If you have a driver who will be taking a driving test during spring break and you're in need of a verification of enrollment form to be signed for that driving test, please take care of it this week because our offices will be closed. We want to make sure that our students get those licenses and a little bit of time to practice before we get back is always a good thing. I want to make sure that I highlight also the Prosper Rotary. You may see during certain holidays, certainly federal holidays that are patriotic in nature, our Prosper Rotary has a flag program, and you will see flags outside of people's homes in Prosper ISD. The Prosper Rotary actually does this for a very small fee, so every flag holiday they put the flags out for that fee, but then that money goes back to Prosper ISD through the Prosper Education Foundation for scholarships for our students. So if you're interested in that program, I would encourage you to sign up. It's a great way to show your patriotism, but also to support our students in Prosper ISD. And that's all of the Prosper ISD boundaries. Prosper Rotary takes care of it. So please make sure to check their website out to gain more information. And we also have student registration, new and returning student registration that will be coming open in April. So be on the lookout for that in the PISD Express as well as campus communication for that enrollment piece. We're going to really encourage you to get enrollment in because bus routes they're impacted by that. Personnel decisions are impacted by enrollment, so please get that taken care of as soon as possible. I think my time is just about up. I hope you all have an amazing spring break next week, and I want to remind you, be kind, we are Prosper, we are one.